Why are they? Why are they?
What? I come Ukraina. Put
your client in check.
My Highness,
question. Please. This lawyer is sleeping.
My honor, let me move my seat. Am I sleeping? Can't you see?
My Highness. My Highness, the American say. Oh, right, yes. What about you, young quack? And I'm going to the decision you want to say you're going to carry it. What am I going to come? What am I going to want to do? That's mammy. We are the pump running the panels. What?
Cancel.
What am I? Come over to her. What am I?
Mary
Madari.
Yona, last question. Answer another question. Yona, I shall know that we are not saying.
Yes, Untimajai.
Oh shit.
Yes, Unti. What?
Yona.
Yes, Untimajai.
Yona. I think this question is a very important question.
Yeah.
Okay. And we need to address this issue. Yona, how can you tell us this story? And how can we believe it? Sir, you go to Jesus Christ. You, a prostitute woman, and you tell Jesus Christ, I'm a prostitute. And Jesus, you know this woman is a prostitute. But what jail? And to what jail? No, I want to as a prostitute, what did Jesus want to say them? One in them quan said them one casa.
My honor, not Stephen or not John or and yet a damn no quiet, a pity. The time I was not there, but the history is history.
How was I glad you know?
I add up. I add that a follow question. Madam, don't mind. Okay. You know, I like the time you stand inside. I like you are very truthful woman. Okay.
Catch you. What's it again?
No. You didn't cry like you are true woman. You say that you are a prostitute. Of course.
What's it again?
You say that. Oh yeah, so and cry na no cry.
Yes, Untimajai and no me Bashawo. Yes, Untimajai, what
only when he cack Emuna Osha. Now Ashawo now how many years as an Oshia pursued when he kakaya. Many 17 kind of more years, but how many years? I will know.
I shall only hear. Let me walk much. Aye, me walk much.
Ain't he?
Yes, you buy
but Jim,
I know about Jimmy Free Moon.
Yes, you shall buy. I said, oh, bread, and I'll do now, and I'll jail. Thank you very much, Madam. Your Honor, I want to put it on record. If this woman here is a shower, that he do that in so many years, and Jesus Christ, the all-knowing God, He is the supreme being. He is able to save this woman from a shower. Then why was He able to save Judas? And see that Judas is going to betray him, so He will save Judas out of the betrayer.
What's it?
All right. Thank you very much. No more questions. All right. Thank you. Hey.
No, Your Honor, even I will let. He said that He will resurrect Lazarus. Such a powerful mind. Somebody died so many days. He said that Lazarus, Lazarus. Why not even this mind that He worked? You know ahead. You are the God of God. You are the King of Kings. You know the beginning to the end. Somebody is coming to betray you. You say that I leave him to go and betray me. How do you do that? My honor. Obi odi Yesu achibia na okura jempia. Odi this man is a wicked man.
Thank you, my Highness.
All right. Your witness.
Yeah, Your Honor. I blink inside the bus. Judas is not. Judas, you are what as a human being? Tell the court what you are.
Mana. Good day, Mana.
Question being,
Like what? Tell the court. Yes. What work do you do before you meet this man?
Mana.
Yes.
I was working in the company named Fisherman Company. I was a worker at Fisherman Company. That time I was an accountant.
You were an accountant.
Yeah.
I was an accountant.
In a fisherman or the company was called Fisherman Company.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly, no.
Precisely.
Yeah. Your Honor, he said it is precisely so. It is precisely what he's saying. Now, when you see him, he call you that, follow me. You chop 22 years. Why you say that, Jesus, I don't go by you follow him? Why?
Mana.
Why?
Jesus, you're the way.
Yes.
Were you wicked and so strong?
Objection.
Jesus, way. Were you nipa? Obetima chame. Now begin a chi. And listen when Nimra also no. No, wait. Wait. Were you so to me? And you won't see. I want you to me, mouse. Hey, catch it. What can a man count objection? Me pacho. So when you want, neighbor, my woman, I mean, what I will say the truth, nothing but the truth. But anybody who will force me, who will take any money from Jesus Christ and say anything, I have my egg here.
My honor is African threat.
This is my egg.
Objection, you can't shout my kind.
It's African threat.
It's African threat. Speak the truth.
Your Honor, why he say he have his egg? He say he have egg. What do you use egg? You don't eat egg. So you say you have egg. That's shouting. Don't shout.
All right, carry on. Cancel.
Objection, Your Honor.
Cancel.
He cannot stand here and accuse my client of anything that he cannot prove with evidence.
All right. So stay to the facts. Say what you know. Talk. We are listening.
Mana.
Yes.
Yes, you are what you will. Onuna. Ohu me chame me.
Or chameo.
Or chame me.
Unim so chameo.
Me wouldn't say or
To betray at the Contia fees say or chameo.
At the continue say.
Me casa sisia. Betraying.
Metro.
Into 12 on 7 so.
Now, or chame me no. You could do gallery. And
the do him
gallery.
Objection.
Is it gallery for?
Exactly my point.
Your Honor.
Is it Samsung Gallery or the
Nokia
gallery at the
Gallery.
Arts Museum?
He say Galilee. You know here.
My Lord.
Yes.
When we were there, where were we?
Yeah.
Where? When we were there, where were we? Many years to never know way.
Yeah.
The Pacho, swap for them so.
So now you have gotten to gallery. Yeah. Carry on.
You do gallery. Many band who soon besides I have an name or say Minabutre. You flew a step in the Kodu Philippines.
Okay.
Philippians.
Yeah.
Philippines. You do also many band who soon be besides Nahe or Sinabutre. You flew Philippines so and you could do techie. I want to catch it. Say.
Let me clarify. Your Honor, what the Turkey that is talking about is the olden day Judea.
Exactly.
Judea in the olden day. Now
the
they call it Turkey. Yeah.
And I'm the catcher and say, me per se, me best was say, if you can go home, go home. That time, I cannot find any way to come back. So I decided.
What you can?
Yes.
What you can to obey the Tigrana?
Yes.
I saw 18 years. What you come over with your coin?
What's that? Mana, I'm continuing my statement. Mana, if you read a Bible, Jeremiah chapter 1, verse number 6, Bible said,
Yes.
when you are the blood
in your mother's womb, I know you.
I know you.
Believe me and trust me, Jesus Christ knows me when I was a blood in my mother's womb. Jesus Christ knows that I will become the fetish priest in the money in the ladies. Yes. You should to understand. What I'm saying is, when I was a blood in my mother's womb, Jesus knows me.
Yeah.
So Jesus knows that he by all means come and took me from my mother's side and destroy me
to the public,
and disgrace me to the nation, and vibrating my head into pieces. You can see here.
How?
Simply because.
How did Jesus do this to your head?
No, you explain. You know.
When I was walking with Jesus Christ, I am the best friend indeed. So every money that Jesus will receive, he give it to me. That time I was a cashier, so we put the money inside the box, and I carry the box on my head. So the heavier of the box rolled my apartment. Yes.
Your Honor. You have something to say again?
I'm listening to you.
Okay, Your Honor, I want to put on record that Jesus Christ, as you see him, is the all-knowing God once again. He said that if you are the blood bottle in your mother's womb, now me, Jesus Christ, I know you. So he know Judas Iscariot already, that this man will grow and betray him. He can prevent him. Also, he hypnotized my ear. Because if you watch the Jesus Christ, he don't shout. When he walk, they have a small beat under him. If you get your son, he say, Dimechi. Your Honor, the Dimechi, he don't explain where you are going. He also start following him like a John, just like that. Your Honor, he hypnotized my client. He put him in a bad situation. He make him carry bottle, and then he wipe his middle head.
Exactly.
Your Honor, I want to put it on record that he had disturbed my client. Put him in jail, kill Jesus, and murder him. Thank you.
Objection, my lord.
All right, counsel. Yes.
Objection, my lord.
Let him finish, and then you can ask him your questions. Okay. Yes. You are done.
Yeah.
Mana.
Yes.
No, my colleague have one question before. He have one question before.
Please ask.
It will take long. Are you
no,
ready?
Quite short question.
Okay. Short like short.
Yeah.
Okay. Your Honor, I asked about Judas' mother, about Judas' small picture, the Nkwabrim picture.
Okay.
But when you look at the picture in the Nkwabrim, the Judas standing here has totally changed.
Okay.
Because in his Nkwabrim, Judas was like Vanvika. Yes, that's the picture.
Then he grow up, he turned into Shatawali.
My honor, o change ya ono ani subai and I'm not changing.
Yeah, come on.
The crown no boy, he is a thief.
Who is a thief?
He's a character change of the self.
Your Honor, so as my colleague said, Jesus needs to be captured and kill him, because you can't destroy somebody's son just like that and go scot-free. And after that, you destroy him to the whole nation. Right now, nobody can pronounce his baby after my client.
Yeah.
That's it.
Thank you. Your questions, your clients.
Mana.
Yes, your witness. They are coming to you.
Okay.
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 I'll tell you.
My honor.
Yes.
You can't put your hands in your pocket whilst talking to my honor.
Counsel. Carry on.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Your honor, I want to ask a client over a question here.
Ask him.
This case, remember me, case happened at, I won't mention the court's name.
Okay.
When the two ladies fight at Jaso.
Okay.
Honorable, please listen to me well. This court is honorable court, right?
Yeah, you are speaking. I'm listening. I'm listening to you well, Sensei.
My lord,
Have you listened? And the ladies both fight, and one right there have a witness at Judicial, and another one don't have a witness, and he calls his friend at Judas, and he told him what happened about the fight.
Okay.
And he told him, come and
be the witness.
Yes.
All right.
And when she came, I was a lawyer that time.
You were the lawyer.
Yeah. And I asked the lady.
Yeah.
This court of law, if you misbehave, you will go into imprisonment 10 years.
Okay.
The case happened at Jaso.
Okay.
And you two, you were in a draft.
Yeah.
So how can you be a witness here?
Okay.
And the lady said, my lord, I don't know anything about that.
Okay.
I don't know everything. She just told me that this happened and this happened.
Okay.
And so I presented him in the 10 years of court law.
You
imprisoned. If you look, this Judas, she betrayed Jesus Christ of Nazareth. The way they want to send him.
No. Do you know what you are supposed to be doing? You are supposed to be questioning the witness. Now you have become a storyteller and you are telling us stories.
My lord, I forgot I'll come back.
My honor, I want to ask this Judas question.
Order.
My honor, Judas, I want to ask you a question. When you're talking, you said Jesus Christ forcing you to grab you.
Please, can you mention my full name for me?
Judas and Carrot.
Cabbage. Jesus is what?
Carrot.
You wanted the full name, he's mentioned the full name. Carry on.
Every carrot be carrot.
Every carrot be carrot.
Be carrot.
Yeah.
Yemre muno. Se okase Yesu for so na obwa. Ojira we obru 18 years. Obi anso se wunya 18 years.
Just say, Your Honor. Your Honor, he never said that Jesus Christ forced him.
No.
He said that he charmed him.
No, let me talk. Let me land before
Go on.
Ubru 18 years. 18 years no wudim de ese wo ye bia.
Yeah.
Enti wonswa so obi dada wo say na wo so wo twin say bedi na chi. Wonswa.
Yeah.
De to so mienu man oye kromfo is a thief.
Objection, Your Honor.
Time one also sika na ye de ne beto say onhwe sika so no. Ode ne nsabo sika ni mu na Judas ye wia. Okoton Yesu Kristo achi sika. Na okoton me a betimi ne wana antibiem. Ni subanti o ma Bible mu da.
Mana.
Yes.
The judge, everything he says.
The lawyer,
everything he says, he doesn't know anything about it. Simply because when we were there, where were him?
Your Honor, very simple and straightforward questions. I pray that the witness will give us simple and straightforward answers so that we move on. You said that other disciples have books in the Bible.
Exactly.
And you also want a book in the Bible.
Precisely.
The Bible tells us that these are the 12 apostles of Jesus: Simon, Peter, James, John, Andrew, Philip, Matthew, Thomas, James the son of Alphaeus, Bartholomew, Judas Thaddeus, Simon Zelotes, and Judas Iscariot, the one who betrayed him. If the witness will be so glad as to show us where the book of Bartholomew is in the Bible.
Objection, Your Honor.
Yes.
Objection, Your Honor. My client here, he has bring his case to court. If Bartholomew he should also bring his case to court. Must he come and fight for Bartholomew? We don't think about Bartholomew here. We don't care.
What my lawyer is saying is truth.
Yeah.
I'm here to defend my name, but I'm not here to defend somebody's name. So if Bartholomew's name did not appear in the Bible, I don't care. It's back of my case.
Yeah. It's back of your case, yes. Carry on.
Thank you very much. I like where this is going. Mr. Judas, are you aware that the books with the names of the apostles in the Bible, those books were written by the apostles themselves and not Jesus?
You are telling lies simply because Jesus Christ, if you read First Thessalonians,
take your time.
First Thessalonica.
Okay.
Akem.
Yes. First Thessalonica, chapter 1, verse number 3. Thessalonians. Bible says Jesus, he knows everything. And
hey,
Jesus,
are you sure that is where it is?
Yes, it is where. We are here in our country when a pastor like Sofu Obini, he mentioned a quotation. It's not in the Bible, so it's not me alone. It's not me alone.
My honor, you can't mention somebody's name. Why? Because the somebody. What is infanto?
It's constipation. Infanto. Yes. It's constipation. My lawyer.
Yes.
What I'm saying is, Jesus Christ here, he do everything. He knows how to manipulate some people. He knows how to damage some people. So if you read Matthew, Luke, John, all of them names appear in the Bible.
Yeah.
Except me. My name is not in. That is why I'm here to appeal, so that he can write my name into the Bible.
I mean, I am understanding that you are not meaning your name, but the story about you,
me,
your calling, the things about you.
Exactly.
My Lord, please can I come in?
Yeah, yes.
Please.
His name is in the Bible.
Yes, that's what I'm trying to correct.
So
yeah.
What is
so what exactly are you looking for? That's
my Lord, what I'm saying is, me per se.
Why?
Me per se. Papa me ne nam no. Me yema no no. Any boni a me ne nam no me yema no no. O me entro sanye mani bi e wo Bible.
Okay, so the things your experience with you should write
e wo Bible ni efi se. O hwe eye Peter we yini ma 3 times. Me no yini ma ba ko Peter o de ne boni che no. Me one from me boni anche ba ko pe.
My honor, last day is a dangerous.
What?
Last day is a dangerous. Osi onu ni yini ma ba ko pe. Ba onu ne ba ko no ya pam no bi yini ma 3. Ba onu de ye pam no. Ba onu no wine no is a dangerous.
It's a dangerous. I tell you what can I say?
Your honor.
All right.
If he wants to compare himself to Peter, Peter denied knowing Jesus. Peter did not go to soldiers to go and sell Jesus and take money from it.
All right.
Thank you. I bring the money back to who? To them.
After they had caught him and they had beaten him and they were going to kill him.
Yeah. And nothing I make a chain say Sikanam di buy no. And me mutimi academia making 30 million gold. Nama di ama omo to me bedin.
And so we were them hanas of the sort to bedia.
Remember this can be.
Okay. All right.
Sabe pepe.
All right, thank you.
Judas.
Is there anybody here who wants to name their child Judas?
Thank you very much.
So your honor, Jesus does not have to do anything. The people who will do it, they will do it. Why do you drag him to court?
Thank you very much. All right. Judas, you are
excused. We release our client. Judas, you do well. Please come.
Thank you very much.
All right.
Your honor, where we have gotten to.
The last witness we can
the
call
very last witness.
My honor, she blow me.
Who what?
She throwing the duku to my mouth.
Which mouth?
I'm sorry, I didn't see. I would have punished him. Next time, let me see before he goes. All right,
Your Honor, where we have gotten to, the person I want to invite to the witness box is a very astute person. I'll ask if you indulge me and ask permission to let everybody stand up.
Counsel.
Yes, Your Honor.
Call your client.
Yes, it is my client that I'm calling.
Call him now.
Your Honor, the Lord and Savior of our world, the one who saved you from all the sins that you have committed. Okay, yes, the judge does not respect you, so you is okay. Your Honor, I would like to call to the stand Jesus the Christ. Everybody, you can clap.
Jesus.
Jesus.
My Lord.
How are you?
I am fine.
Very well. This your very good friend has brought you to court that you knew that he was going to betray you. You knew he was going to get a bad name. You did not do anything about it. With all the powers you have, charming him and doing everything, you still allowed him to go ahead and betray you so that he will get a bad name. How do you answer to that?
Lawyer, kindly let the court know that I want to speak Tree.
Feel free.
Ashanti Tree.
Flow.
Your Honor, Judas se okasa na we ni paponele. Judas okasa na we owadwen bone ewo ni tirim.
I didn't try.
Many Judas eni asuafo nyina nam no e di odo ne kro ye ene nante ye. Manye obi abone da.
Okay.
Eye me nwanwa se Judas atakuru me edi ma begina court wa se opese ni din eba Bible no.
Okay.
Osatra me minsa enifa so. Otra minsa enifa so a enye yie. Okasa no ose sika no osan edekoi. Meni meja edi obi apɛ ama no. Na di obi apɛ ene wo ye enye nhye so. Ye nhye obi a. Di wo ba ye no wa wo hu mu no gidi se eye ma wo a na wakoso na waye. Ye musa Judas say Abra this kind of call or noon what this kind of call you know. Or such an adjunct. Or noon hono or such an adjunct. Adia the person mubusa Judas Mamino. Say what who was such a junior. Unia konya say Obabe Tramisa Nifaso Amadaye. Say what who no one such a word junior. Unia konya say ye betro udi e wotro kunkun no emu. Sikano ope intina kwaje ye. Enna uyi mi mai. Ti ba odi meba no mi hu sofa so bia e woso say Judas e de me ba. Dear Wapano and an insa aka.
Okay.
No,
I think we finished. Let's come because we don't have time. We want to run away fast. Jesus Christ, God bless you.
Major Israel.
Amen. God bless you because you have come to die. You sacrifice your blood to die to save the human world. Because of you, we have Easter.
Yeah.
And now we do Ashanti Fest. God bless you.
Major Israel.
God bless you because Ashanti Fest, it will stay biggest. And every year Easter, we will go ahead and mention Ashanti first in the whole world. That people will travel from across the globe. And even this my colleague from Pluto, he will bring people from Pluto to come and attend Ashanti first.
Okay.
God bless you.
Thank you very much.
Jesus,
my Lord,
you are all knowing, true or false?
Come again.
You are no unibibia we are sebeboa.
You are all knowing.
All knowing.
All knowing.
You are the King of Kings, the Lord of Lords. You are too wise. Nobody can be compared unto you. You are God. You are God. You are God. You are God. True or false?
Eja Oba.
I don't ask Eja Oba ni susunkun here. I say that unibibia we are true or false.
Major.
Why can't you stop him to say Major? Say
Major and the boss through any assassin.
Yes. It was ja a boss on your assassin Oba Eja and the concrete. Unibibia we are saying. It's a Bible. We say, "Yaya oja tuwa waya na yamu no na unibibia." Why?
Correct.
Onimu anenche se bewiano.
No cry onimu anche de bewiano. No that sabonu esi ona ka obi be yimi ama. Na Peter say Yesu ayami ana o ka there be. Matthew Busa say Yesu ayami ana o ka there. Adentra Judas nkwa ko Busa say Yesu ayami ana se kona kwaya there. There's a unim a trap. That means your honor Jesus Christ here, he knows, he has plugged. It's a script that he has kept with his father. When you are choosing your disciple, why didn't you find any other person to say that he will betray you? But you force her, you don't find Judas, you don't rest. You force her, you find Judas because you have scripted him with your father. It's a trap. You will program him to betray you, and then after you destroy his name. Your honor, I want to put it to Jesus Christ that he is abysmal, he is a betrayer. He lead people into on, and then later he find them in a very difficult situation. I will rest my case.
My Lord, my Lord, my Lord.
Yes.
My Lord, please.
I think your client has something to say
my
first.
Lord.
Respond. Then you can ask your.
My Lord.
Okay, my Lord.
Your Honor.
Yes.
Trying say, since you do the beba. Nemo.
Na die na me su beba no die ondua.
You know the other man Musumana Banu, you know him already. I didn't know Oba Musumana Ba, Osia Oba Gama for the year. What's here? Obina, Naniefra, what in Otia Obiau, when you know. I don't know more about you.
Objection, my Lord. Objection, my Lord.
All right, so your
My
objection.
Lord, I have a question.
Yes, quickly.
I want to ask my learned friend here.
Please ask.
Do you know red? What him red?
Red. No, Your Honor, the question is for this one.
You see, Your Honor,
It's rather you, not you.
Oh no,
Listen up.
o kasa onimu red na no pray
you're
nyame.
promoting something
It's
in the
not
court of law.
Sit down.
You're
I'm
promoting
talking about
something.
you.
Okay.
Um,
All right, back to you. Any more questions for him? We're done. Yes.
My Lord, why are you cutting my question?
The red has nothing to do with Jesus. You have Jesus to cross-examine.
Maybe you're taking some. That's why I'm.
You have.
Objection, Your Honor. What do you mean I have taken red?
Objection overruled.
You do overruled. Sit down.
Sorry, my Lord. Order.
Any
Your Honor, sit down. Sorry.
Your Honor, my little colleague raised some concerns and I would like to address them. He said that the blind man Jesus used spit and
Counsel, is the question to Jesus?
he threw the question around.
I want us to cross-examine Jesus.
Yes, the Awobusani say, "Ni friend need your tea or tea friend say."
But counsel, you are done, right? You already, you've already.
But Your Honor,
Your Honor, a question has come. I'm answering. You say you should answer.
Your Honor.
I thought you had
Your
a
Honor.
follow-up question.
Yes.
I have a follow-up question.
Ask him quickly
Your Honor,
one,
this one,
and let's be done.
Your Honor, I don't allow for follow-up because he finishes 10. We come. Why you allow him to go again?
Ask fast. Let's go. This is the last one.
Follow-up question.
Ahye sensu.
Ni friend need your friend say David Baba Jimmy. Na wuti do tie ni teso di san yare. Oba no de moja betu no bebre no. Oba be so utare ani mu na. Ono so ono anu wonya na yare sa no kura de nya na sa no yare. Aden na Judas nko ade. Oye kronfo. Ambroba kronfo. Unsa no yare na oja no sa.
Judas, obia na obey me. Obia na makoma edan so. Na minim say Judas. Unyamia
It's a lie.
It's a lie.
It's a lie.
It's a lie.
You can't tell me that. Now you know everything.
You know it. You know it. You know it.
You don't know Judas.
You know it. This is don't do that or else.
Sure.
Okay. Can he answer, please? And then let's end this. Let's end this. I have to go.
As a lawyer, who break us over?
Quickly, please. Please, as you are speaking.
Lawyer.
Adwimbonia na Judas. Ewo na chikono. Wo mene unam. Kokram. Ebeto pampam. Mema wodro. Nemo mchinyi na enfu bio.
Yeah.
Afeti be biem na menye. Ba wo de me ba ye fa so be na wo so.
Mana objection,
Okay.
mana.
Thank you.
Objection.
Yes. What are you saying?
Jesus.
Yes.
Otimi ade nyina yi.
Yeah, what can say?
Adenti ana kokwan beto ho no. Wenti na sam yale.
Anya na so ma woduro na
Wobwa.
All right, so I think we are done. Now it's time for me to.
Your Honor.
If there are no more questions for Jesus, I think we can let.
Don't have any question. You finish.
Your Honor,
We're done.
as for me, I am done. If anybody else has anything.
Yes.
Jesus.
Alright,
Your
so-
Honor, Busumi is in one Chiameka. Internship.
Why? Also there.
Your Honor.
Eh, who your honor report on Jesus? Uchupu your honor me boy.
Ayona, you work people, you don't pay them. Oh, Hannah.
Internship, Kejetia.
By the time they don't pay.
Yes, where they see when anymore.
All right, Jesus, you can take your seat. I believe you can.
Your
take your
Honor,
seat.
thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Hold
Thank you.
on.
Thank you. Kobusam Meja and then the man show her. Oh, yeah, they'll have you.
Actually, and your money until I'm a bit here. Minim says some more can a baby really so, me Satan, and I say with baby really so. Yapo we are saying, Nami wo, and son of Ubayan the Papa we are saying, Nami wo.
Oh, he.
Nia Wabayan, with the many,
It's your money and the saying.
BPS or we are Sipiano, Namo de Sami Satan, and the other Maya. Obi Sakwatina Siachi, Akonya accident to Kurano, Naya de Sami Satan, my head. Obi abu for Kyekyeku bana so no wabon ne girlfriend aprapra no kra no yesi ayebo sam mayadan ana no yakoto aba mo bi nya 38.2% o say ya mi Satan mayadan
Some of your politics.
Papa Judge Mesro
Some of your politics.
so what did Jesus and Judas assembly we are. The next case, I am Miss Satan versus Jesus.
My honor can be impossible.
What's that saying?
My honor. Ofri here what didn't want to be case in this is here.
I assembly who carrying your baby we are so. It's not what's a banana baby mano.
Okay.
It says a minimum yamu we are so form to me. What is some baby we are saying?
Nana Bonsam. Nana Bonsam, yeah, that's it. The other kind, no.
Thank you, my Lord. Thank you. Thank you.
Ewan Sema Yegua. And in Semi or what? Oh, any party send me near the Usiako name near the Jesus Beach House in Dinasama. Over to Asheda. 52 years. Now I'm signed for a case now. So this is my judgment. We cannot destroy our country, the future of our children, and blame it on the devil. We cannot destroy our water bodies, our forests, our